Want to know the secret behind every viral YouTube video that stops viewers from scrolling past? It all comes down to six psychological trigger words that tap directly into human curiosity. Most creators spend hours crafting the perfect hook, but the truth is simpler than you think. These six power words form the backbone of every attention-grabbing opening that keeps audiences glued to their screens. Here's what makes these words so incredibly powerful. They bypass the logical brain and hit viewers at an emotional level, creating an almost irresistible urge to keep watching. Whether you're running a faceless channel about productivity, technology, or lifestyle content, understanding these psychological triggers will transform your viewer retention overnight. The first power word is what we call the subject clarity word. This establishes who or what your video is about. It could be you, your audience, or even a specific entity like a company or product. Think of hooks that start with "I discovered" or "you need to know" or "this AI tool." The subject word immediately tells viewers whose perspective they're following and helps them mentally place themselves in the story. Your second essential word is the action word. This describes what the subject actually did or will do. Words like discovered, built, tested, or revealed create movement in your hook. Without action, your hook feels static and boring. The action word gives your opening momentum and suggests something interesting is about to unfold. The third critical element is the objective word. This represents the end result or transformation that occurred. It's the payoff that viewers will receive by watching. Maybe it's doubling my income, getting 100,000 subscribers, or building the perfect morning routine. The more shocking or desirable this outcome, the stronger your hook becomes. People watch YouTube videos to achieve something or learn something valuable. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The fourth word is the contrast word, and this is where psychology really kicks in. Humans are naturally drawn to before and after scenarios. Your contrast word highlights the gap between the starting point and the end result. Going from zero to millionaire, complete beginner to expert, or failing business to six figures creates cognitive tension that viewers need to resolve by watching. The fifth word is optional but incredibly powerful when used correctly. It's the proof word, and it establishes credibility. Adding words like again, finally, or specific time markers shows you've actually achieved what you're claiming. This is especially important for educational content where trust matters. Entertainment content can often skip this element. The sixth and final word is the time word, which adds urgency and speed to your promise. Phrases like "in 30 days," "within 1 week," or "overnight" make your hook more compelling because they suggest efficiency. People don't just want results, they want fast results. But here's where most creators go wrong. They try to force all six elements into every single hook, making them clunky and unnatural. The magic happens when you use these words as building blocks, mixing and matching them based on your specific content and audience. Now, if you want to take this to the next level without spending hours crafting each hook manually, there's a game-changing tool called Tube Magic AI that does the heavy lifting for you. This artificial intelligence platform understands these psychological triggers and can generate multiple hook variations for any topic in seconds. Tube's Magic AI doesn't just randomly combine words, it analyzes millions of successful videos to understand which psychological patterns work best for different niches and content types. Whether you're creating educational content, entertainment videos, or product reviews, the AI adapts its suggestions to match proven patterns that drive engagement. The beauty of using AI for hook creation is consistency. While human creativity can be unpredictable, artificial intelligence ensures every hook contains the right psychological elements. You can generate dozens of variations, test different approaches, and find the perfect combination that resonates with your specific audience. For faceless YouTube channels, this technology is especially valuable because your hook is often the only thing viewers have to judge your content quality. You can't rely on personality or on-screen presence, so your opening words need to work twice as hard to capture attention and build trust. The AI can adapt these six power words to any niche imaginable. Technology channels might focus more on proof and results, while lifestyle content might emphasize transformation and time elements. The system learns what works for your specific audience and improves its suggestions over time. Remember, the goal isn't just to get people to click on your video. These psychological triggers help create hooks that genuinely deliver on their promise, leading to higher watch time, better audience retention, and ultimately more successful faceless YouTube channels. Understanding these 6 words gives you a framework for analyzing what makes content successful, but having AI assistance means you can implement this knowledge at scale without burning out your creative energy on the mechanical aspects of hook writing. Ready to transform your YouTube hooks and see the difference proper psychology can make? Click the link in the description below to watch the full tutorial on how to use TubeMagic AI and try it out for yourself.